Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am doing a thrifting video. It's a thrift flip video. I'm going to show you two items that I thrifted and how I flipped them to make them look high-end and brand new. And I'm also going to show you just a couple of little things that I did get from the thrift store. I didn't find a lot this week, but I did find a couple of things and I wanted to also give you guys like a haul with that. I am so sorry if the lighting is kind of in and out. I'm not sure. I think it's just the angle of how I'm filming, but this room is my dining room. It's typically a little darker than normal, so it's overcast outside. But I'm gonna do the best that I can, so please bear with me in the lighting. But I'm also going to show you how I decorate a couple of the thrifted items as well. I'm gonna take you guys outside and show you how I spray painted a couple of these items. I'm also going to show you how I'm going to be cutting down some of the branches in my backyard and possibly my front yard, and how I'm going to be using them in my fall decor for the season. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. But first, if you are new here, hello and welcome. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you would consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here. We would just love to have you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this haul, you guys. Okay, so the first two things that I wanted to show you guys are these beautiful frames. I absolutely love these frames. I'm gonna actually change location because I don't like the lighting is going in and out, so give me 1 minute. Okay, so the first item that you guys are going to be seeing, I'm talking a little loud because my daughter is home. She's not feeling her best. She's home and her TV is on, so I don't want you guys to hear what is going on in the background. She's watching Yo Gabba Gabba. So the first couple of items that I did go ahead and thrift are these beautiful frames, and I just love the details that's on the frames and also the beautiful photo that is used in it. At first I was just like, oh, I'm gonna change the photos, but I actually do love it because it's a fall scenery, and it looked like it's painted, and I just love it so much. I love the colors, and I love the fact that it blends in with the colors that I'm using in my home for the fall season. And I love that I got two of them. Now I got them on, it was 50% off day in the entire store. So each of these was $3 a piece, and I got them both for $3. So I am just loving that. Y'all know I love when I get a discount on top of a bargain, and I just love it. I can't wait to use them in my home. I'm gonna actually show you guys how I am going to be using it as well. So I am super excited about this, you guys. The next items that I got were these two beautiful silver, I guess, trays. And they are real silver, you guys. When I tell you these things are super heavy, they are so heavy. It's from the Sheridan Taunton Silversmiths Limited. I just love it so much. I obviously have to polish them up a little bit, but I just love the designs. I cannot wait to use this. I'm going to be using these for Christmas, and I love the designs. I love that they're both so different in the shapes and the style of it, but I love that they are silver because I am bringing in, like, you know, metals in my home. I love brass, I love copper, and I love silver, and I love to use different metals for especially like the Christmas holidays, where you can put them on your coffee table. You can, you know, use them for serveware. You can just, it's a plethora of things that you can do, and I just love them so much. So each of them, one was $2.99, this one was $2.99, and this one was $1.99, and like I said, the entire store was half off. So I got this one for 99 cents, and I got this one for $1.50. So I got both of them for $2.50, y'all. Where can you go to find real silver for $2.50? Nowhere on the earth, except for the thrift store. I just love these, you guys, and I cannot wait to use them, to style them. I think this one I'm going to style with, and this one I'm going to use for like serving, like, I don't know, maybe some type of, I don't really know what I'm going to use it for yet. Maybe like some finger foods, or, you know, wings or something like that. But I just love them both so very much. The next thing I got, you guys, was this beautiful handcrafted ceramic turkey platter. Y'all know I've been looking for platters and bowls and all the things, and I just love this. Like, I literally stumbled upon it. I didn't see it. It literally caught my eye when I was checking something else out, and I saw this and I was just like, oh my goodness, I'm looking for this. It looks like it belongs in Pottery Barn, or, you know, one of those high-end decor stores, and I just love it so much. So this is the platter, and look how big it is, you guys. This is huge. I'm gonna actually search this up and see how much it normally costs, but I did get this for $2.50 because it was $4.99. and I got it for $2.50, and I just love it so much. I mean, look at all the details, y'all. Look at the turkey. Look at all the cool details. Oh my goodness. All the fruits. I mean, you literally, and this thing is heavy. You can literally see all the beautiful details, and I cannot wait to put it out for Thanksgiving with my turkey on there and all the fixings. Oh my goodness, it's just going to be such a treat. Okay, you guys, so y'all are gonna still see me talking, but I had to do a voiceover because my daughter's TV was just way too loud, and I did not want a copyright strike for the music in my video. So I'm basically just telling you guys about this beautiful lamp. It wasn't a large thrifting day for me, but I scored some really beautiful pieces, and this lamp was one of them. I just love the texture on this lamp. I love the beauty of it. I mean, it looks like something that you will find in like a Pottery Barn store, maybe a Restoration Hardware, you know, one of those beautiful high-end decor stores, and I just love it. It's just such a classic look. It has like that beautiful fluted shade, and then the base of it, the texture is just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I love that it has like a classic style because it's gonna last, you know, it's gonna last a long time, the test of time. It might even outlast us, right? But I just love the way that it looks. So I am going to go ahead and spray paint and then style and kind of show you guys what it looks like. I'm also going to be styling the photo frames as well. So definitely go ahead and stay tuned as I start decorating. So y'all remember this basket, right, that I thrifted a few weeks back. I thrifted it. It was $5. I just love this basket, but I wanted to change it and give it a little bit more moodier color. So I'm going to be spray painting that. Also, here's the lamp again. I wanted to show you guys the lamp in its fullest. It's stunning. I mean, I can't believe this lamp is $5. Like, I've seen other lamps online for way above that, $150, $250. I mean, it's insane, right? So I wanted to show you guys up close and personal this beautiful lamp that I thrifted. I really wish that there was more than one, because I would have just taken it, both of them, or even if it was like 2 or 3 of them, and just, you know, just put them all around my home because I love it. It's so classic. It's so traditional. It's beautiful. It's like a little dainty as well. So here I am, and I'm just showing you guys the color of this spray paint. Y'all, I just love this spray paint so much. I've used it on my fireplace, which you're going to be seeing this Sunday coming up on the 6th. I am super excited, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see the fireplace. It looks absolutely fantabulous. So I am just spray painting these white florals that I use throughout my home in the summertime, but I can always reorder them. Y'all, I'm recycling. I just don't want to spend any money for the fall like that. And if I do spend money, it's budget friendly items. And so I just took florals that I already have, and I do have so many of these particular ones. So I just wanted to spray paint 3 stems of them and use them in my home. I am going to show you how I decorate it in the vase, but definitely stay tuned for my family room video, because that's coming up next week on the 9th. So you'll get to see me decorate the entire space with it, but I am going to show you how I am going to decorate them as well. These weren't thrifted, but I did get these on Amazon, and I will link it if I can find it. But, you know, I'm just showing you guys how you can reuse what you have and just, you know, add some spray paint, add some color to it, or, you know, just recycle whatever you have and use it in your decor. You don't have to break the bank. I always tell you guys that. These are budget-friendly home decor, and it looks super high-end, and it just gives the home such a beautiful touch. So here I am spray painting it. You're going to also see me spray painting the lamp and that beautiful basket. And then I'm going to take you guys through the video and show y'all how I style them. Can I just say, I love the way that this basket turned out. I was going for like a stained look, and I think I achieved it. I love this brown. Oh my gosh, I will paint everything this color brown. This is my personality. I love this brown. It is just so neutral and so rich, and it can go for every season. And this basket will be where I'm going to put it for the entire season and every season thereof. So I love the way that this turned out.
finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you took away some tips and some budget-friendly ideas on how you can make thrifted decor high-end and make it work for your space. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video coming up on Sunday, which is my fall mantle. I am super excited for you guys to see it, and I just cannot wait. I hope that you guys are having a great kickstart to your fall this season, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.